Hello guys, today I'm going to show you if you are getting this error while installing your Windows operating system. Windows cannot read product key setting from the unattended answer. So I will show you how to fix this error. So let's begin with our video. In order to resolve your issue, open VirtualBox. So go to the operating system which is giving you the error. So in my case, it's this one, Windows. So I will just open this, click this one, and go to the settings. And over here, I will uncheck this floppy option. After unchecking this, there's another option. As you can see that in general, go to advanced, and here's the option where your virtual box VM Windows is placed. So you have to make changes this place. So in my case, it is VirtualBox VM. So I will go to this place, move to C drives, users, your username, and VirtualBox VMs, as we can check it from here again. It's VirtualBox VMS, mode Windows. Here you can see that there's a file with the name of unattended with some number. So you have to delete this one. After deleting this one, now we can check, we have to run it again and check whether we are getting the error or not. So now virtual machine is powering up. So now you can see that now we are ahead of that option. We have resolved our issue. Now we can continue with our Windows operating system, installing it. So you can see that what we did, we again review for that. We removed the floppy from the settings, and after that, in general, advanced option, there was an option folder where our VirtualBox was placed. So we deleted an unattended file from this. So I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have liked the video. Thank you very much.